As a qualified manufacturer of production machines, CSP could customize production lines for electric water heater, ETC and FPC solar water heater, stainless steel water tanks, LPG cylinders, steel drums, CNC metal processing, foaming machine and lines. The factory shown in the video is our own manufacturing facility. Here are some projects we have done. We have served major domestic and international brands with our production machine and lines, such as Havells, A.O. Smith, Artel, Supreme etc. The services we could offer include product design, equipment manufacturing, equipment installation and commissioning, technical training, production management, and spare parts procurement, aiming to offer one-stop professional services for our customers worldwide.